If you have been scrolling through Instagram lately, you might have noticed some really cool, vibrant, colorful profile backgrounds. In this guide, I'm gonna clear out whether you can access that feature or not. The colorful profile picture recently observed on Instagram is not a standard setting available to the public, but rather an exclusive reward granted to a select group of high performing creators, often associated with the platform's Instagram Rings program. This feature serves as a status symbol, recognizing top content creators with unique aesthetic perks like a custom profile background color and sometimes a special badge. Unfortunately, Instagram's leadership has indicated that this specific full profile color customization is currently planned for a general user rollout. Therefore, while you cannot access this official exclusive background, you can still significantly enhance your profile's visual appeal by focusing on vibrant, professionally designed profile picture, using cohesive and colorful story highlight covers, and maintaining a consistent color palette across your main feed to achieve a similar vibrant and attractive look.